Isang panalo na lang ang kailangan ng New York Liberty upang makabalik sa WNBA Finals. Yan ay matapos nilang talunin ang defending champions Las Vegas Aces sa Game 2 ng kanilang best-of-5 semifinals nito lamang Miyerkules. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Speaking of, here's Lainey Hamilton with the air.
Mas napalapit ang New York Liberty sa inaasam nilang pagbabalik sa WNBA Finals ngayong taon. Hawak na ng New York ang commanding 2-0 lead matapos ang kanilang 88-84 na panalo sa Game 2 noong Miyerkules kontra sa defending champions na Las Vegas Aces. Malayo sa kanilang naging sagupaan noong Game 1 na natiling dikdikan ang Liberty at Aces hanggang sa dulo ng Game 2. Sinandalan ng New York si Sabrina Ionescu na gumawa ng 24 points, kabilang na ang clutch mid-range jumper sa fourth quarter upang maselyuhan ang panalo.
I mean, being up 2-0 is great, but we haven't won anything. I think everyone knows that. We did what we were supposed to do, which was protect home court, win 2 at home. This isn't what we came to do. We didn't come to just win 2 games at home and then be satisfied. And so I think we're a hungry group. Obviously, we're pleased with the way we came out today. Now have a great opportunity to go take that first one at their home court. That's what our goal is, and that's what we're going to go do.
Para naman kay Aces guard Chelsea Gray, hindi pa nila sinusukuan ang inaasam nilang three-peat lalo na't may pagkakataon silang makabawi sa mismong Las Vegas sa Game 3 sa darating na Sabado.
But it's going to take a full 40 to be able to get it done. And like you said, make history. I mean, I love being in history books, so we might as well try to start there. So that's going to be our mentality. Like, obviously, it is a must-win for the series to continue.
Samantala, sa kabilang semifinals naman, nagawang maitabla ng Minnesota Lynx ang serye matapos natalunin ang Connecticut Sun sa Game 2 sa score na 77-70. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.